Hi, how you doing? My name's Tony. I run Kettle Black Arts and Leather. We make all sorts of great things. I bought myself a GoPro 9 for my birthday today. We're going to do an opening of this. I can't wait to open it. Looks a little weird, a little bloated, so we shall see. Hope we got everything we're supposed to. And let's take a look. Yeah, we make leather products, small leather products. All sorts of good stuff, little wallet holders, keychains, small things. The hands don't always let me do the big stuff. But hey, we do what we can, right? Alrighty. First we got a piece of paper. Mailing address. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we'll hope for the best. Alright. Let's see what we got here. One rechargeable battery. There we go. Remember, kids, don't play with these. Alright. The extra one I ordered. Woohoo. Alright. The GoPro Hero 9 Black. Rock and roll, right? And a mystery envelope. Huh. With the 64 gig card. Bonus. Alright. Yay. So far, so good. Nice. Okay, yeah, with a little tear strip here. Oh, the music in the background, if you can hear it, that's by Harris Heller. Copyright-free music for us to use on YouTube and a couple other video formats. Copyright-free music. So thank you very much, Harris Heller. 2 thumbs up. Alright. Looks like a handy-dandy case. Feels a little hard. Excuse the clearing of the throat, it is winter after all. Alright. Some fancy schmancy directions in this little nut thingy here. You get the have product questions. Yeah. Hey Drew Carey, if you're watching, I can also show off products on television. For you, I'll wear a really good mask, but just think about it. I could use the extra cash. Anyways, GoPro on screen. Blah blah blah. No questions. Subscribe. Fancy stickers. A chargeable cord. Looks like a C. C. Nice. It's got a new curve to it. Normally, when you get these fun plastic things, they're flat. So they look weird on your hat. The battery that comes with it. A little doomahickey. A hickamadoo. Nice. Hickamadoo. Nice new word for you. Man, how do they expect you to get this out of the package when it's so tiny? How are you going to use it for your GoPro, right? Alright. Well, very cool. This might be a quasi-plastic. It does say recycle, so that's a good start. Packaging has come a long way. Got some decent weight to it. Take off the little peel shield here. Right. This song here is called Brunch. Interesting title, especially since it's almost 9 o'clock at night, New York time, near Niagara Falls, in Buffalo, and North Tonawanda. If you're in the area, say hello. Alright, got this, nice little screen cover here, nice big screen, very cool. I'm going to leave that on for the moment. See the power mode there. Red button. Nice. I've been seeing this on a lot of the YouTube videos, and that's really handy. I wish, actually, all cameras should come like that from now on. I'll always have the little screw hole, which would be cool if this had in the middle, but these are really nice. Turn this on here real quick. Maybe I should put the battery in, huh? Let's see the directions here. Well, we'll play with it a little more and we'll check it out. And, well, hey, I'm really happy. I got a GoPro 9. We'll take it from there. I got the main battery that comes with it. The extra as per the deal. And I bought an extra one because when you get the membership, everything is at a really better price. So I'm really happy about that. I guess that's about it, but I will let you know more as I found out more. But remember, check out the wife and I. We go by Kettle Black Arts, and if you Google it, you'll find all sorts of great stuff that we sell and make on Etsy, a majority of it. We also do local shows when you're allowed to do local shows again. And I hope to see you soon. Purchase our stuff, be kind to each other, and take care because I care. Take care.